Hello everyone and welcome to E-Class for English 2. I hope you all have done the introduction and written worksheet 1 of chapter 3 Meet Caddy the Kid in your notebook. And today we are going to do worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. In worksheet 2 we are having see the picture and write what it is. As you can see on the board, worksheet 2. On the left hand side of the margin, you are going to write the date. Whichever date you are doing your work, that date you are going to mention. Suppose 24/9/2020. First line you are going to write worksheet 2. Second line, what we are doing? We are doing see the picture and write what it is. So we are going to write SEECTHE the PICTURE picture AND and WRITE write WHAT what IT it is. See the picture and write what it is. As you can see on the board, pictures are drawn. So you have to identify the picture and name it. So children, I want you all to draw the pictures. And I don't want a perfect picture, but it should look alike. So first picture is of a kid. So you're going to write small letter A and small letter K I D kid. What is kid? Kid is a baby goat, or you can write capital A and small letter KID kid. Now see the second picture, 2 in the margin. This is the picture of a bib. What is bib? Bib, babies wear bib while eating food or drinking water or milk. So we are going to write a B-I-B bib, or capital A and small letter B-I-B. Now the third one, 3 in the margin. This is the picture of a wig. Wig is a artificial hair. So we are going to write a wig. Small letter A and small letter W-I-G. Or you can write a capital A and small W-I-G wig. Now fourth picture is of a fig. What is fig? Fig is a fruit. It's a kind of fruit, and in Hindi it is called anjeer. So small letter A and F-I-G, small letter F-I-G, or a fig, capital A and small F-I-G. Now fifth, this is the picture of a twig. What is twig? Twig is a soft stems of branches. So a T-W-I-G twig, or a small letter T-W-I-G twig. So children, for drawing you will take the help of your book Sam the Fat Cat. Chapter 3, Meet Caddy the Kid. Page 21. Page 21. Here you are having picture of caddy, but you are going to write a kid. Then picture of a bib, picture of a wig, picture of a fig, and picture of a twig. Here you can see I have done worksheet 2 in the notebook. So left hand side of the margin at the top, you are going to mention the date. In whichever date you are doing the work, that date you are going to mention. First line, you are going to write worksheet 2. Second line, what we are doing? We are doing see the picture and write what it is. Now one in margin, I have drawn small caddy. You can draw this one. I have drawn from the book. But you are going to write a kid. You are not going to write caddy. You are going to write a kid. 2 in the margin. I have drawn bib and I have written a bib. 3 in the margin. A wig. 4 in the margin. Next page, no space was here, so I came to the next page. 4 in the margin. A fig. You're going to draw the picture of a fig. 5 in the margin. This is the picture of a twig, and you're going to write a twig. You're not going to repeat this work. Only once you are going to do this work. Worksheet 2. See the picture and write what it is. You're going to write. You're going to do it only once. Now worksheet 3. In worksheet 3 we are having unscramble the given words. On the left hand side of the margin, you are going to write the date. In whichever date you are doing the work, that date you are going to mention. Suppose 24/9/2020. First line, you are going to mention, you are going to write worksheet 3. Second line, what we are doing? We are doing unscramble the given words. So we are going to write unscramble, unscramble, the, given, given, words, words, unscramble the given words. Now on the board, spellings are words are given. These are scramble words. Now see the words carefully. Scramble means the letters are placed here and there and are wrong spelling. So we have to unscramble it. Means arrange these letters in such a way to get the correct word and correct spelling. For example, what will be the unscramble word of DIK? The unscrambled word for DIK will be KID, kid. What will be the unscrambled word for IBB? It will be BIB, bib. What is the unscrambled word for GID? It is DIG, dig. What will be the unscrambled word for GIW? The unscrambled word for GIW will be WIG, wig. What will be the unscrambled word for GIF? It will be FIG, fig. What will be unscrambled word for TIB? It will be BIT, bit. What will be unscrambled word for GIJ? It will be JIG, jig. Now the 8th one. What will be the unscrambled word for WIGT? It will be TWIG, twig. What will be unscrambled word for GIB? It will be BIG, big. And this you are going to do in your English 2 CAT notebook. As you can see, worksheet 3 is done in the notebook. So left hand side, you are going to mention the date. In whichever date you are doing the work, that date you are going to mention. First line, worksheet 3. Second line, you are going to write unscramble the given words. I couldn't finish my sentence in one line, so I came to the next line and completed my sentence. So 1 in the margin, DIK. So unscramble word for DIK is KID, kid. 2 in the margin, IBB. Correct word is BIB, bib. 3 in the margin, GID. Correct word is DIG, dig. 4 in the margin, GIW. Correct word is WIG, wig. 5 in the margin, GIF. Correct word is FIG, fig. 6 in the margin, TIB. Correct word is BIT, bit. 7th, GIJ. Correct word is JIG, jig. So no space is left here. I came to this side of the page. 8th, WIGT. Correct word is TWIG, twig. 9th, GIB. Correct word will be BIG, big. And on the next page, you're going to do the homework of worksheet 3. Left side of the margin at the top, you're going to mention the date, in whichever date you are doing the work. And you're going to do worksheet 3. What we are having in worksheet 3? In worksheet 3, we are having unscramble the given words. So children, you're going to do worksheet 2 and worksheet 3 in your English 2 CAT notebook. And for the next video, we'll do worksheet 4 and 5. Till then, take care.